Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with some finds from the folks over at Fansells. I'm just going to jump right in and let's get started. So I've got several canvases, and as you can see, I've got a pen because, like I always say, you can never have too many pens. And look how pretty this one is. Okay, so this one is another one of those resin pens, but look how pretty it is. All these glittery blue and silver diamonds inside of it. Yeah, I just thought it was really pretty. So it comes with a 6-placer and a single placer tip. This one was $4.83, and they have a lot of different styles. I've actually been really surprised about the different styles. They're coming out with some new ones, so hopefully I have some other ones coming too, but yeah, super pretty pen. And like usual, I will be sticking links in the description box down below so that you can check these out for yourself. Okay, so then let's get into the canvases here. So I've got, ooh, this one is nice and soft and easy to roll. Love that. Look how nice and tight that rolls up. Love that. All right, so it is a special drill kit. So we get tweezers and we get our typical toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. It is, like I said, a special drill kit. So you can see right there the drills. And look at this beauty. It is this very pretty mandala. And you guys know I love my mandalas. Haven't done one in a while, and this one caught my eye. So this one has a schematic on both sides. We do get the crystal codes, which is nice, and we do have our special drill codes as well. I'm still working sporadically on my special drill codes spreadsheet. So far, an M means it's marquee shaped, and there's a couple of different codes for teardrop shapes. Sometimes they're consistent across companies, sometimes they're not. So yeah, that's why I'm still working on it. But anyway, this one is a 30 by 30. It is nice and sticky. It is a partial, but it feels more like a full drill just because there's so many. So we've got 12 colors. And I apologize if you can hear the guy rumbling down the street. All right. It is 24 by 24 centimeters. And let's get into our drills and see what's in there. All right, so here we go with our special drills. Ooh, these are super pretty. Love these colors. All right, let's start with our regular rhinestones. So we get just a few clear, kind of that old antique yellow, a kind of dark smoky brown orange. Ooh, there's a very pretty, those two are two different shades, but almost like a copper, and then a lighter one. They're like browns, but it looks kind of coppery. Really like that one. And then we've got some small blue teardrops and some small iridescent teardrops. And then we get all these other fun ones. What are these? So we get some marquee shaped iridescent small. We get some green marquee shaped iridescent small, some pink iridescent marquee small. Then we get, ooh, some very pretty turquoise marquee, skinny marquee. And then we get some purple marquee shaped small. So yeah, I can't wait to see how this one is going to turn out. Very pretty color scheme, and I really like that. This one is $4.19. I'm going to get these drills back in the package, and I will be right back with the next one. All right, let's look at this one. Get it out of the package here. This one is a little bit stiffer. It's still soft, but not as soft as the mandala was. But still very easy to roll up nice and tight. I like it when I can roll it up nice and tight. That helps get the creases out from transport. Not creases, but folds. Typical toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And it is a round kit, as you can see. And, ooh, I had a drill escape. And it's already in baggies. So for those of you who like to work from baggies, you're ready to go. And this one Look at this little beauty here. It's all these music notes. Now, I saw this one and I got it because I actually had another music note one that I was going to do back when I was last year when I was doing my 30 by 30 challenge. Because of the way I had kitted things up, I ended up using the wrong drills on it and just got to be a pain. So that has now become an example canvas because it's useful for other things, but I never did get to finish it and I really liked it. So I wanted something with music notes. So this is another 30 by 30. So let's measure. It is 24.5 by 24, almost 25. It does have a lot of white. You can see in the background it's got all those eyes. It is nice and sticky, but it does have the eye symbol, which is what I like if it's going to have a white background, so I'm happy with that. We have a schematic on both sides, and it does have our DMC codes, so I love that. Looks like there'll be a nice mix of confetti and multi-placing. Like there's quite a bit of multi-placing there, all of the black, all of the white in the background, but then of course some confetti in various places. Let's look at our drills. All right, as you would expect, there is a big bag of white for all of the white in the background. There is some kind of slate blue, a greenish turquoise, a kind of a mustardy, sagey, yellowy green. I don't know what to call that. A dark blue, like just a regular true green. And then we've got a gray. We've got a light purple, almost a purpley pink. We've got a purple and then a very dark purple. And then we have a dark gray, a dark red, a light gray, some black, which that's not nearly as much black as I would have expected given all the black in the canvas, a light gray, and a very dark purple. And this one is $3.59. And again, I will stick links to all of these down below. All right, one left to go. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. And the last canvas is this one. Figure out how to open it. All right. And this one, ooh, this is a nice soft, not as soft as the mandala, but still nice and soft, so you can roll it up tight. There we go. So standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And you can see it is a round drill kit. And this one looks like this. You guys, I just thought this one was really cute. I don't typically go for cats. I'm a dog person, and also I'm allergic to cats. But I just thought that this one was really pretty and colorful. And yeah, I wanted to try it and see what it turns out like. So we don't have DMC codes on here, which is a little disappointing, but that's okay. So 16 colors, not a huge amount of colors. Lots of confetti in here, it looks like. There is some black kind of multi-placing in the background, but lots of confetti. However, all of the symbols look nice and clear. I don't see anything that's like right next to each other that looks like it's going to give me a problem. So I always like these where I feel like no light pad is necessary because I don't like using my light pad. I get eye fatigue really easy. All right, so this is a 30 by 30 as well. And it is 23 by 22.5. A little bit smaller than normal, but because this is so confetti heavy, that might be why they decided to size it that way. All right, let me open the drills on this one and we'll see. Okay, so we've got 16 colors for this one. So we've got that very dark purple, a dark red, black, another dark purple, a red, an orange, a blue, a light blue, it's like a slate, dark slate blue, and then a slate blue, a brown, a kind of greenish turquoise, a olive green, a light tan, and kind of a mustardy yellow. So lots of colors in this for how small it is. I can't wait to see how this one turns out. All right, let me figure out how to get the drills back in the package for this one, and I will be right back with a recap. Oh, and in case I didn't mention it, this one is $3.59. Be right back. All right, so just to recap, we've got our little colorful cat here. We've got our music notes with the white background, and then we have our mandala with all of the special drills. And again, I will put links in the description box below to all of these. Oh, and I forgot the very pretty diamond pen. I will put links to all of these in the description box down below so that you can check these out and anything else that might grab your eye while you're there. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.